Welcome to our channel, where we focus on improving your health and well-being. In today's video, we'll explore how fitness and mental health are deeply connected and how you can take simple steps to enhance both. Mental health is just as important as physical health. In fact, regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and boost overall mental clarity. Studies show that physical activity increases the production of endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, which help fight stress and anxiety. Even a 30-minute walk or workout can make a big difference. Not all exercise has to be intense. Simple activities like stretching, yoga, or even dancing can help calm the mind and reduce feelings of anxiety. These exercises also help improve sleep quality, which is crucial for mental health. Here's a simple routine you can follow for a balanced mind and body. Start your day with a 10-minute meditation to set a positive tone. In the afternoon, go for a 30-minute walk or light jog. End your day with 5 minutes of stretching to relax your muscles and mind. What you eat also plays a role in mental health. Foods rich in omega-3, like salmon and walnuts, and foods high in antioxidants, like berries and spinach, support brain health and can improve your mood over time. Remember, taking care of your mental health is a journey. By adding simple fitness activities and healthy eating to your routine, you can make a lasting impact on both your body and mind. Start small and stay consistent, and you'll see positive changes before you know it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mental health and fitness.